in the exam, there will be 1 or 2 questions on objectives. If you remember, they asked you Rashtriya Gokul Mission objectives, they have asked you. In the same way, they will ask you National Mission High Yield Seeds objective, or any other, like for example, in the economic survey, PM Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana objectives also have been given, especially with respect to 100 aspirational agriculture districts. So I have given the objectives, just go through the objectives. See, objectives will be mostly broad. Okay, narrow objectives you can easily eliminate, or opposite objectives you can easily eliminate. Remember that. Okay, opposite objects or narrow objects, generally objectives you can, see, major is a keyword, right? Major is a keyword. So if they give you national mission high yielding seeds, major focus. If they say major focus, do you think it's a narrow keyword, major focus, or broad keyword? Major is a broad keyword which you already discussed. Okay, so major focus is on oil seeds, pulses, select cereals and vegetables. Don't worry, don't go and do not eliminate this one. Okay, this is a right statement. Sometimes you may think, okay, why only oil seeds, pulses and all? No, already the keyword major focus is clearly given. Okay. So commercial availability of more than 100. Again, more than 100 seeds, do you think it's a very fact, or do you think it may be plain? We discussed this in turmeric question also. Okay, it could be range. Yes, more than 100 seed varieties, possibility is there. Don't think that it's a number. Okay, it's a quality statement. It's a quality statement. So do not eliminate 100 in the exam. So that is the reason I have given this. So these are some of the objectives of the National Mission High Yielding Seeds. Now coming to same thing with Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana, again objectives they have given. Some unique objectives also there. Like credit also is part of it. Again, don't think that credit is not there. Okay, irrigation is not there. Okay, don't exclude yourself. Okay, don't exclude. Unless they give you very narrow or extreme, okay, then only or opposite or completely opposite. Okay, they'll give you completely opposite. Then only you will try to eliminate objectives. Else, mostly objectives will be plain. Okay. Okay, now survey also talks about Kisan Rin portal. So Kisan Rin portal, any idea? It is related to what? Okay, obviously it is related to Kisan credit card. Kisan credit card is a very important topic for the exam. So that is the reason we are covering this Kisan Rin portal. So what happened earlier, lot of loans they used to apply Kisans, and some interest subvention they did not receive. So all these problems were there. To address all these problems, they have created Kisan Rin portal. Okay, the portal enhances credit system efficiency. Misuse also it will remove, ensuring subsidies, financial discipline, and duplicate and excess claims. So this one thing you just try to remember.